I'm Panda Emily, your guide to the English jungle. And today, oh wow, my tummy is rumbling like a baby tiger. I am seriously hungry, Paul. Same here, Emily. I'm Paul, and whenever I get hungry, my brain starts working faster and I learn English even better. Exactly, Paul. And guess what? Today's episode is perfect for hungry humans and hungry animals alike. We're diving into something super practical for your daily life. Yes, today, Zoo Friends, we're learning how to order food at a restaurant. And not just any ordering. We're talking about the exact phrases you need to sound confident, polite, and natural in English. We'll show you how to ask for a table, grab the menu, order drinks and your favorite food, politely fix a mistake if something goes wrong, enjoy dessert, and even pay the bill. All fast, simple, and fun. So grab your fork, open your English brain, and get ready to practice these phrases like a pro. We promise, after this episode, going to a restaurant will feel easy and exciting. No more hesitation, Zoo Friends. Let's jump straight into the restaurant and start ordering like confident English speakers. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go? All right, Zoo Friends, here we go. We just walked into the restaurant. The first person we see is usually the host or the waiter. And what do we do first? Smile, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Say, hello, a table for two, please. Exactly. Simple, short, and polite. And if you have more friends, just change the number. A table for four, please. A table for six, please. Numbers are easy. Just match the number to how many people are with you. Even a single person can say, a table for one, please. The host or waiter usually replies, this way, please, and leads you to your table. Easy, right? Just ask politely and don't forget your smile. A smile is like magic. It makes everyone happy. Once you reach the table, you sit down, get comfortable, and get ready for the next step. The menu. Yes, that's where the fun starts. Drinks, food, dessert, but first, let's grab the menu. Okay, Zoo Friends, now that we're sitting at our table, the next thing we need is the menu. Sometimes the waiter gives it to us automatically, but if they're busy, don't worry. You can politely ask, excuse me, can we have the menu, please? Excuse me is a golden phrase in English. Always polite, always correct. Say it with a smile and you're golden. Once you have the menu, wow, so many choices. Drinks, starters, main courses, desserts. It can be exciting and a little overwhelming. But don't stress. Take your time. Look at the drinks first, then the starters, then the main course. We'll guide you step by step. And remember, if you don't understand a word or a dish, it's okay to ask. Excuse me, what is this? Polite, simple, and natural English. Exactly. Restaurants are meant for learning and enjoying food. Asking questions shows you're interested, and that's always good English practice. Perfect. Now that we have the menu, it's time for the drinks. The first delicious step of our meal adventure. All right, Zoo Friends. Now that we have our menu, it's time to start ordering drinks. The waiter will usually ask, what would you like to drink? And here's how you can answer like a pro. I'd like a water, please. I'll have a soda, please. Can I have a juice, please? Simple, polite, and easy to remember. Always add, please. It makes your English sound friendly and natural. Sometimes the waiter will repeat your order to make sure it's correct. They might say, one water and one soda. I'll be right back. Perfect. Drinks are done. That was easy and fast. And while we wait for our drinks, we can start looking at the starters. But first, let's take a sip and enjoy our drinks. A small victory in ordering in English. Exactly. Every small step builds your confidence. Drinks first, then food. That's the zoo way to learn English while having fun. Zoo Friends, now comes the fun part, ordering our food. Let's start with starters, also called appetizers. These are small dishes before the main meal. For example, if you want soup or salad, you can say, "I'd like the tomato soup, please." "I'll have the green salad, please." And remember, if something on the menu confuses you, it's totally okay to ask, "Excuse me, what is this?" The waiter will explain politely, and you'll learn new words too. Exactly. Starters are easy, small, and delicious. Once that's done, we move to the main course, the big meal. For your main dish, here are some natural English phrases. "I'll have the grilled fish, please." "I'd like the spaghetti, please." "Can I have the chicken curry, please?" The waiter will write it down and usually say, "Great choice." And then we wait. Waiting is hard when you're hungry, but don't worry. You can practice your English by talking to your friends or commenting on the menu with phrases like, "Everything looks so good. I can't decide. It's all delicious." Perfect. Ordering starters and main courses done. Small steps, zoo friends. Step by step, your English grows while you enjoy your meal. Oops. Sometimes mistakes happen at restaurants. Maybe you ordered fish, but the waiter brings chicken instead. Don't worry, zoo friends. Mistakes are normal. The key is to stay calm and polite. Here's the perfect way to fix it in English. "Excuse me, I'm sorry, but I ordered the fish, not the chicken." Notice how polite this sentence is. You're not shouting, you're just explaining. The waiter will usually respond, "I'm so sorry, I will fix it right away." And soon the correct dish arrives, easy and stress-free. See, zoo friends, even if something goes wrong, you can handle it confidently using polite English phrases. Exactly. Mistakes are just another way to practice your English. The more you speak, the better you get. So remember, polite words plus calm attitude equals perfect way to fix any restaurant mistake. Zoo friends, now comes my favorite part of any meal, dessert. Mine too, Paul. And don't forget, we can also order drinks like coffee or tea after our sweet treats. When the waiter comes back, you can politely say, "I'd like the chocolate cake, please." "I'll have the vanilla ice cream." See how simple that is? Just, "I'd like," or "I'll have," and the dessert name. Easy English. And for drinks, "I'll have a coffee, please." "I'll have a tea, please." If the waiter asks, "With milk or sugar?" you can respond clearly. "Just milk, please. No sugar, thank you." Perfect. You just gave extra details politely. That makes your English sound natural. Dessert and drinks are fun and easy to practice in real life. It's also a great chance to use polite English and enjoy your meal at the same time. Zoo friends, remember, ordering dessert is just like ordering the main course. Simple phrases, polite words, and a smile. All right, zoo friends, our meal is finished. Now it's time to pay and leave the restaurant politely. Exactly, Emily. And asking for the bill is super easy in English. The polite way to ask is, "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?" In America, some people also say, "The check, please." See? Both are correct and very natural. Just say it with a smile. Once the waiter brings the bill, you can pay with cash or a credit card. If you're using a card, you can say, "Can I pay by card?" And if you're using cash, just hand it over and say, "Here you go." Don't forget the magic words please and thank you. Politeness always works. After paying, give one last friendly smile and say, "Thank you, goodbye." And that's it. You just finished a full meal at a restaurant in perfect English. Zoo friends, remember, polite phrases, clear words, and smiles make ordering food easy and fun. And that's it. You just finished a full meal at a restaurant in perfect English. And that's how you order a full meal in perfect English, zoo friends. From asking for a table to paying the bill, now you're ready to be a restaurant pro. Yes, and remember, it's okay to be a little slow, ask questions, and even make mistakes. Every time you practice, your English grows stronger. Zoo friends, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant? And don't forget, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Zoo Chat for more fun and easy English lessons. Stay curious, stay confident, and keep learning English in a fun way. Until next time, stay hungry for English. Bye, Zoo friends.